If you not make any money online before, or you've not utilized your smartphone, your laptop, computer to earn a certain amount for yourself online before, so in this video today I'm going to show you how you can use your smartphone, your laptop, computer to make a passive income for yourself. All you need is just your earpiece or headset. Now let me explain. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Black Ozula. So in this channel I teach many ways on how to make money online, from freelancing to affiliate marketing to side hustle and all those tips that can make you money online for free. So that's what I teach on this channel. So do well to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the best notification so you can get updates anytime I upload an helpful video like this. So let's get down to this. I said all you need to do this job and to make this money for yourself is just your earpiece and or your headset. So it's just simple, because you want to make money by just listening to audio, and I'm going to walk you through the process now and how much you are going to be paid for that. So the very first website that's going to pay you for listening to audio with your earpiece or headsets, because you are going to type out what you are hearing and you can make money for yourself. So it's rev.com. So I'm going to show you two. This is the first one, which is rev.com. So rev.com, as you can see right here, all you need to do once you come over to rev.com is to scroll to the end of this page. You scroll to the end of this page, then you will see right here, you will see freelancers. Once you click on freelancer, you are going to see a page like this, like Rev Freelance job lets you work from anywhere. I can see earn money transcribing, captioning, or subtitling from anywhere, anytime. So it's just something simple and flexible to do. Instead, create a flexible work schedule, choose from hundreds of jobs, and get paid weekly. You get paid weekly, as you can see right here. So you can see this is the average amount you can earn by just video minutes or per audio. You can earn 30 cents or to $1.10. So depends on the let me say the videos or the audio, the minutes. That's what determines your earnings. As you can see, as a captioner right here, you earn 54 cents to $1.10. So it's something easy to do, and this is how you are going to sign up to this account and you get your account approved. So follow this process step by step. So I'm going to walk you through two process, because this is the first website and I'm going to show you the other website and walk you through how you are going to set them up and make money for yourself easy. So do well to subscribe to this channel if you are getting any value from this video. So subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so you can get more updates for you later. So now all you need to do on this page is to click on learn more if you want to work as a transcriptionist. So it said earn money with transcription job from home. So you can see this person, like you can see the average right here. So it's just something simple. So you scroll down all the way down right here, then you see sign up. We are not currently accepting applicants from your location. This is because I'm in Nigeria. So, and this is how you are going to bypass this problem. So all you need to do if you are using a laptop computer is to add this browser, this VPN called Tunnelbear. You add it to your extension from Google Chrome, then you connect it to USA. And if you are trying this on your mobile phone, just download Star VPN, STAR VPN, and you connect it. It's free. So if I reload this page now, you can see this error will not be available again, as you can see. So it's just something simple. We've bypassed that, and I'm going to show you how to get details to fill out your account. But make sure the name you are putting in right here is your own personal name. That's very, very important. So I'm going to put my name, which is Omoniyi, then Omi Makinde. So with that, I'm going to have my email right here. So I'm going to come over right here and check my email address so I don't make any mistake. Okay, so if I click on this, I'm going to copy out this. Then I'm going to paste. We connect our VPN to USA, so you are going to select USA right here. United States, then you choose any state of yours. But I like Texas, so I'm going to continue. So once I click that, it's going to say, okay, how much can I earn? So I want to, then you want to be serious. I want to rev seriously. So you can see beginner, and this is the estimate earnings. So you need to do now is to click start application. So once you click start application, you go to select your education level, then your work experience. I advise you choose this or this, but go for this as a beginner. Then please select if you have experience working in the following. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to select technology. I work this administrative and support. So I'm going to select that. Select topic that interests you. So I'm interested in entertainment, business, science, and I'm not a sports person, so just choose what you can. And do you have prior experience? Yes. Then choose yes here, please. So I'm going to click on students, then next. So once you click next like that, said why do you want to work for REV? Why did you want to work for REV? And I'm going to teach you how you are going to fill this in all with full details. So you come over right here and you go to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is what will help you to write this. So you come over right here and said, okay, said if I copy this now, so you said okay, write a 200 words answer for a transcription answer. Okay, let me just say answer for the question below. And I'm going to have the question right here. So as you can see, it's going to write a short description for you. So you need to do right here is to come over and you copy this. You can come over right here, then you click on paste. So you have it here. So you can delete this part and you are good to go, as you can see. So you do the same thing about this. What is your favorite hobby and why are you passionate about it? So you can write this yourself. Is your personal details. So where did you most recently vacation and what? So you can fill all that. So once you are done, so let me just try to fill this in. Just do it yourself. And I'm going to paste that here. So I'm going to next. I just want to fast with this sign up so I can show you how you can sign up your accounts and get to work. So you click on agree right here. So once you agree, you scroll all the way down to the end right here. Then you agree. Then you submit. So once you submit, they will get back to you. That's first step. So the second website is transcribeme.com. transcribeme.com. So the link to these two websites will be in the description below. Make sure you check that out and click there so you can get onto this page for real ASAP. So now once you see right here, you click on freelancer and you come to a page like this. As you can see, the average earnings from here is $15 to $22 per hour. You can see, and you can earn up to $250 monthly. So all you need to do right here, we've connect our VPN, so we have the chance. You click on start freelancing. So once you click on start freelancing right here, so you're going to fill in your details. You're going to fill in your details right here. Your name, make sure you choose United States again right here, and make sure you choose your same country or your same city, so fill in your details, then you sign up right here. So once you sign up your account, okay, let's do that together. Let's do that. Let me show you. So let me show you. You can see I have my account before, so let me show this. Let me continue this following. So if I sign up again now, as you can see, they will send me a mail to confirm my account. You can see they've received my application. Then here I'm going to click this to activate my account. So as you can see, it's loading up. Then on this sign up page, you select your language. So I'm going to choose English. Just choose English. Okay, let's say British. Okay, let's say British English. Then you choose your native language as English, additional language if you understand any other. So I'm going to next your experience, so you don't forget your experience. Then source of language, you still choose English. Target language, English as well. Then do you have proven translation experience or add relevance? So I'm going to leave that. I'm going to continue. So you input your PayPal account email right here, then your photo, your phone number, then your gender. If you don't need to add that, so you can just click on YouTube from here. So you input your PayPal email. So then you finish. So once you finish, it's going to ask you to take a test. So you take an English test, and that's how you start earning for yourself. It's just something simple. So if you enjoy this video and you get best value from this video, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this, and I will see you in another video.